this vast world of 7.9 billion people, I found myself to be just another guy. Striving my ways hard to find what I was destined to, I found myself to be just another guy. Days come and goes by. Every ounce of my breath tells me that I am just another guy. What has changed my mind so much that has made to question myself? Am I really just another guy? Are these questions coming only to my mind, or is it for all? But I wonder how I became just another guy. These questions conquer me like a demon inside, a battle that I have to fight. In order to prove myself, I am not just another guy. Will I succeed or not is the question of time, but one thing is for sure, I will not be just another guy. I'll fight to my last breath no matter who is against my side, but I will not be just another guy. Proving my worth to the gift of life that I have, I will not be just another guy. I will not be just another guy.